is, I mean, mountain biking is a tough sport.
Tough.
It's a tough activity, but you're in short sleeves and shorts. You know, sometimes when you're working harder skiing, you know, you have all these layers on and you're just sweating. You know, that woman that you talked to, I mean, she was saying she was hot underneath. It's got to be tough to figure out the right layer.
Yeah, layers are definitely going to be key out there. It was easier because the snow was really hard and packed. It was a cold day. I think if the snow gets a little wet or a little bit softer, it might be a little harder to cruise along the snow. But for the most part, those thick 5-inch wide or 4.8-inch wide tires, they're massive, and they kind of keep you afloat pretty well unless you're going to get off the groom trail and try to get some.
Is it easier to balance on those big tires compared to like a really narrow tire? Did you
I
feel like it made a difference?
I feel like it was just.
I was just curious. I was like, you know, you wonder if with these fat bike tires that gives you more stability. Is that what they're going to start teaching kids to ride bikes on or something? So I don't know.
Fat tire training wheels too on the side.
It was a blast, a lot of fun. I didn't get a chance to do the whole 5 kilometers, over 3 miles, but even climbing up some of the hill there in Brundage, what they groomed there, it was not a breeze. You're still pedaling uphill, but
it's amazing how easy the bikes can make it feel like it is.
They can get with those wide tires.
I think that's Nate just bragging. He's in really good shape.
No, I wish I was. So we need to do a little bit more. This morning, I wouldn't want to be out there, especially with the mountain valleys. It's cold this morning, so. Yeah, if you're thinking of heading out for an early morning fat bike ride, I want to wait till temperatures warm up a little bit. We're just 15 degrees here at Boise. Winds are 6 miles per hour out of the northwest, and so it feels like 6 degrees. Even here in the Treasure Valley, feels like minus 12 in McCall. We're roughly minus 2, minus 3 degrees, but with a little bit of wind, a breeze up there, minus 12 is where we're feeling like. Actual temperatures minus 11 in Stanley, minus 12 is the feels like temperature in Sun Valley, and right at 0 for the Baker City area this morning, minus 7 in Twin Falls. We've been talking about snow moving in this weekend. Yeah, our next weather maker. We'll see increasing clouds tomorrow in the valley. Breezy winds. Could even start to see some snow showers tomorrow, late morning, early afternoon in the mountain areas, with a bit of a wintry mix expected on Saturday, and then all snow on Sunday. So we've got colder air in place than we had last weekend with all the weather that moved in. A lot of rain last weekend. This system's not looking quite as impactful, but with the colder temperatures, we'll likely see snow Saturday and Sunday here in the valley, if not a rain-snow mix as we talked about on Saturday, and then just a slight chance with a few showers maybe lingering into next week. So the actual forecast on snowfall amounts, maybe 1 to 3 inches in the Treasure Valley throughout the weekend. This is from roughly Friday evening into Sunday evening, Mountain valleys, 4 to 8 inches of snow expected, and the mountains 8 to 16 inches of snowfall as this low pressure system starts to pump up some moisture from the southwest. An additional Canadian low will drop down, bringing with it additional moisture as we head into Friday evening and Saturday morning. The two storm systems combined will again produce some shower activity as we talked about over the weekend. Your extended forecast then for the Treasure Valley, some weather-worn days over the weekend where that will likely impact travel, producing slushy, if not slick roads out there with some snow on them. Temperatures should reach 38 on Saturday. Again, it could generate that rain-snow mix. Back over to snow for Sunday. A few flurries Monday. Temperatures hanging out in those mid to upper 30s throughout much of the end of the week and the weekend. All right, we're looking at mountains for the mountain forecast. Mainly sunshine today. Again, snow showers moving in tomorrow. Accumulations most likely Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures hanging out in those mid to low 20s early next week with some additional showers on Monday as well. Be sure to tune in to Roland's forecast. He's on at 4 and 5:30 on CBS 2 News, particularly with this weather-worn weekend ahead of us, tracking timing as well as any changes to snowfall amounts. We want to keep track of that.
Right. All right. Appreciate it. Thank you, Dave.
You bet.
Almost 6:21 this morning. Let's head outside. Take a